How to record audio in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project where you want to record audio. You can either use an existing project or create a new one to keep your recordings organized. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the record button with the microphone icon. Click on it and the project settings will appear where you can select options such as sample rate, bit depth, and channels. After adjusting the settings, the recording panel will appear on your screen. Before you start recording, make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer. In the recording panel, you can select the input device from the drop-down menu. This allows you to choose the right microphone for capturing your audio. Once your settings are ready, click the record button to begin recording. When you are finished, simply click the stop button at any time and the audio will be placed directly onto the timeline in your project. If you need multiple takes, simply repeat the process and organize your recordings on different tracks. This makes editing, mixing, or enhancing them much easier later on. After recording, you can apply effects, clean up background noise, or restore the audio using AudioDirector's professional editing tool. Now you know how to record audio in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.